Hello, this is Rosina's Italian Kitchen. However, it's in Wayne Hart. We're here for a few days, and our last night here, we're cooking pasta, pesto pasta. Tonight we're having the pesto, and pesto, you get a lot of this fresh Italian basil, and wash it of course, and put it in the blender with olive oil to get it to chop up and mix, and Parmesan cheese, and then you're ready to freeze it or keep it for when, however you want to store it, and when you're ready to use it for your dinner, you just heat it up and put it on your pasta. Enjoy. Don't want this splash on anybody. Ooh.